This is Sea Talk, ocean news from the University of Delaware. Prime Hook National Wildlife Refuge spans more than 10,000 acres of wetlands in the Delaware Bay estuary that protect coastal communities from flooding during high tides and storms. Yet the marsh was threatened after a series of storms breached the dunes that separate the marsh from the Delaware Bay. In one of the largest marsh restoration projects ever attempted in the Mid-Atlantic, Delaware's coastal managers have been working since 2013 to restore the marsh to its historic state. The effort has involved rebuilding dunes, planting thousands of dune grasses, and carving flood channels through the marsh. Now, researchers at Delaware Sea Grant are tracking how the wetlands respond to these changes. The data they collect will be used to ensure the continued success of the Prime Hook restoration and provide information that can be used for wetland restoration projects elsewhere. This is Sea Talk, a public service announcement from the University of Delaware, the Delaware Sea Grant College Program, and this station.